Goal 20 is decorating some cookies, hard cookies with frosting and sprinkles.
These are mine.
So I think that's a pretty good goal. Now we are adding some sprinkles. Still in the frosting stage. Okay, just take some with your fingers. Just a few. Put it on top. Good job.
Yummy.
Can you eat your cookie?
Yum. I want yum.
Okay.
That's one more time.
I think that we're good on the sprinkles. Sprinkle overload. Perfect. Can you try a bite of your cookie?
Let's try and buy my cookie.
Uh-huh.
I can get it.
Oh, that's enough sprinkles. Otherwise, they're all going to fall off. Can you try a bite?
Bye.
Goal 20 complete.